Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add realistic tattoo on photo in Adobe Photoshop. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image and we are going to add tattoo on this image. So we already downloaded in PNG format. So drag and drop on image like this. Now you see edit and then resize it. So you can place according to requirement on body location. Now you see. So we are going to resizing. So we place tattoo on body location according to our requirement. So you can place this according to your requirement and then click on done. Now edit. So we are going to make this tattoo more realistic. On top you see filter, so click on it and then you see liquify, so click on it. Now you see and then you see show backdrop, use all layer mode behind. Now you see in front, blend, you see multiple option. Now you see behind. So we are going to resize or make it more realistic. Now zoom it and then you see position is move. So you can adjust or set position of tattoo according to your requirement like this. Now you see to make it more realistic. Now you see tattoo position moving. If you want you can use in front. Now you see more clear option. So you can do setting according to your requirement. So we are going to merge this tattoo on body and then click on OK. Now you see smart filter liquify added. So now we are going to add masking. Now you see we select this layer and then you see mask layer, so click on it. So mask layer created and then we are going to remove this. Now you see extra tattoo. Now select brush tool and then now you see remove this. Also here. So we select brush tool and we remove this position. We remove this tattoo. Now you see remove and then you see masking. So click on it and then you see current layer, underlying layer. So this is our tattoo and then this is our underlying layer. Now you see brightness area remove when we reduce. So we are going to split this for Windows. You can press Alt to split this position. Now you see for Mac you can hold option. Now you can adjust underlying layer according to requirement. So we are going to remove brightness by using this and then click on OK. And then we are going to add blur. On top you see filter, so click on it and then you see blur and then you see Gaussian blur, so click on it. Now you see radius. If you increase, now you see. So you can add radius pixel according to your requirement. Now you see and then click on OK. And then we are going to reduce opacity. Now you see opacity for this layer. So you can adjust according to your requirement. Now you see our tattoo look more realistic. Now it's done. Now you see. So in this way you can add tattoo on body position more realistic in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.